how to solve can't log in to Duolingo error. So let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper internet connection. If not, connect to a proper internet connection or try using your mobile data, then try to log back to a Duolingo account. And if that still doesn't help you, you have to make sure that your application is updated. For that, open up the Play Store and on the search bar, simply type in Duolingo. Now, if your application is missing out any update, you will have an update option where I have open. Tap on update, and once the update process is complete, head back, open up the Duolingo application, and then log into your account. If that still doesn't help you, then you can clear the application cache from this device. For that, open up the settings, then go to apps. From here, tap on see all apps and now search for Duolingo. Tap on Duolingo and then tap on storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache. Clearing the cache in your device will remove all the junk file of the application from your device, which will help you to solve any kind of issue or problem prevailing in your application. Once you do that, head back, open up the application and log into your account. If that still doesn't help you, now open up the Google Chrome in your device and in the search bar type in Duolingo Web. Then go to the first link. Now you can simply log into your Duolingo account from this Google Chrome or the Duolingo Web. So this is the way to solve can't log into Duolingo error or fix Duolingo login error. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in next video.